What's up, guys? Here with my third video, and today I'm going to be playing the all-famous game Minecraft. Minecraft. I'm one of those noobs. I can say that I'm not very good at it, but what's that have to do with anything? Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and of course subscribe to my best friend Captain Caveman. Alright, and we're gonna create a new world. These are all just random worlds. Oh look, Max. Alright, so we're gonna create a new world. Let's name it YouTube World. Oops. We're not gonna do any of this. Not that we can. Alright. Great. And as you can see, I am playing it on PC. And since I haven't bought it on PC, it's season. Trial will begin, explore, craft, build, and have fun. In this trial, you only have 90 minutes of playtime. Unlock the full game to continue playing. So I don't have the full game, so we're just going to start trial. And we're in a great place. Let's get started. Always start by pencil. Oops. Nice. Alright, some more wood. It will do for now. Actually, create some oak planks. Always need those. I need sheep. Sheep are good. Sorry, sheep, but I need to kill you. Alright. So we're gonna find. Oh, this area is perfect. Right here is where I'm going to plant my new home. So let's just put that there. Perfect. Start with an axe. And then we can go to a pickaxe. Always need a pickaxe. Shovels are good too. Since we have enough, we'll go to a sword. And a chest. Perfect. Put all this stuff in here for now. Alright. Now we're gonna go back to chopping down some trees. So yeah, I'm not a big gamer like a lot of YouTube channels are. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's right. Settings. I need to turn. Yeah, so I'm not a big gamer like a lot of people are. I'm not very good at really anything that I do. Oh, that's it. No, I don't like this. No, it's too slow. What was I saying? Oh. Yeah. Alright. Not a big gamer. Really not. Probably gonna die the first night. But you know, it's fine. Let's get in some more wood. Spider somewhere. I learned quite a bit of my stuff from Captain Caveman. You know, he's a skilled gamer. Watching this, and you should definitely watch him. Not all my videos will be Minecraft stuff. Like, I have probably some videos like my first video that you guys saw that I made. I mean, I have videos like that. Try not to laugh, to cry, you know. I'm all into that YouTube stuff. And I lost my house. As I said, I'm not a big gamer. Okay, let's go find it. Oh, there it is. Alright. We are going to create a lot of oak. So that's exactly what we need. Here. Alright. So now we're gonna plant down our house. Boop, boop. 6, no, 5. I'm gonna start right here. Let's build around this. Nothing much, just a little starter home. I'll find Darby soon. Oops. This is just going to be like a little tiny shack. And like I said, I'm not. If you guys have any ideas to help me get better at playing Minecraft, please share. Oh, whoops! Please share them with me. You know, I love to hear how to play how to do and play new stuff. What in the? Get all this long grass out of there. This is a good shack, really. It's got what I need. Should keep out the monsters mostly, except the only ones that would scare me with this would be skeletons and witches who throw stuff. Come here, little piggy. Come here, you. Yummy. I like me pig. I actually don't. Sometimes I do. Depends. I like ham. Alright, look. There's this thing. Alright, so 3 o'clock. Alright. Oop. Let's get some stone. We're gonna do 14. Actually, no, we're gonna do 15. You have to build a furnace and new weapons. I never understand why they make you take 3 doors. Excuse me. Whoops daisy. Boop boop boop. Boop 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 boop. Nope. Yuppers. Alright, so when it comes at night, I like to sometimes dig so that it's harder for anybody to see me. I know if a skeleton comes right up to the side of my house, they'll see me, but you know, see me, they won't come near me. It's also really good to have torches at night. At least I think it is. Alright, bye. No. E. Whoops. Got a different game stuck in my head. Alright. Let's cook some food. So this is where I'm gonna end this video off, so that I can start it up some other time. I'm gonna keep these around like 5 to 15 minutes on my second video. That was really short because that was just a shout out to Captain Caveman. But like I said, shout out to him. Shout out to him. You know, sorry. You know, subscribe to Captain Caveman. He's a really good friend. Make sure you subscribe to him. He's cool. He's awesome. Makes a whole bunch of Minecraft videos. He's really good at Minecraft. I don't know how often I'll be making my videos, but they'll be around. Of course, subscribe and like to me as well. Give first comments and, you know, that kind of stuff. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you in my